Really?
What were you saying? Is that right? Is that what you did today? Did you have fun?
Where are you going?
Is that the blue camera? What did you do? Can you tell me more about it? Good view of his diaper. Hi, buddy. Are you done?
Might be done. Those were Ethan's thoughts for today.